Hello everyone. So we are going to start our continuation. We are going to continue the chapter, the Monkeys Orchestra. Okay. So page number. Just remove page number 7 of your textbook. Circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. In this question, you have to circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. So in the last lecture, we have studied what is common noun. Common noun is a noun when we write name of a place, people, place, animal and thing in a general way. Like teacher, the uh, uh, commonly we use for everyone. जैसे हम हर इंसान टीचर को टीचर ही बोलेगा, गुरु, टीचर, शिक्षक. Okay, so it is known as common noun. स्टूडेंट्स को स्टूडेंट ही बोलेंगे, विद्यार्थी बोलते हैं. So it is known as common noun. And proper noun like name, like Ravi, Raj, Mango, these are proper noun. So we will circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. So here the first word wolf is a common noun because हर कोई wolf को wolf ही बोलता है. Agra is the name of a city. It is a proper noun. Table is a common noun. Mango is a common noun. Next, London, proper noun. Lion, common noun. Sister and house, it's a common noun. Stars, common noun. Delhi, proper noun. Sashi, proper noun. Book is a common noun. Latika is a common noun. Proper noun. Flag is a common noun. France is a proper noun. Chair is a common noun. Ravi, proper noun. Pen, common noun. School, common noun. Mason, common noun. Bottle, common noun. Cave, common noun. Chennai, proper noun. Boat is a common noun. Okay. Underline common noun with, circle the common noun with color pen. Okay, you can use any color pen or pencil like pink, yellow, whichever is your favorite. Okay, for underlining and circling the proper and common noun. Next, we will go to B part. Fill in the blanks with the correct common noun and proper noun given in the box. My uncle lives in Mumbai. So here the first one is Mumbai, Mumbai. Please put this dash on the shelf. Please put this glasses on the shelf, or school on the shelf. No, it's glasses. GLASSES, glass. We use a dash to write. We use a pencil. PENCIL, pencil. The dash are creeping. The birds are creeping. BIRDS, birds. Dash is going to dash. Ranjit, name of a person or a student. Ranjit is going to school. Okay. So this is on page number 8. You can pause the video and copy it down. Next, we are going to start with another chapter, chapter number 2, Frogs at School. This is your poem. Okay. So we are going to start with this poem, Frogs at School. This poem is written by George Cooper. Okay. So the first one is, there are some rules that are to be followed in school. Okay, when we go to the school, there are some rules like we have to keep quiet, we have to wear uniform, we have to reach on school, we have to be punctual at school. There are different schools in every school. There are हर स्कूल में अलग अलग रूल्स रहते हैं जिसको हर स्टूडेंट को क्या करना पड़ता, फॉलो करना पड़ता. Now, what does the froggy rules are? 20 froggies went to school. down beside a rushing pool. So how many froggies went to school? 20 froggies. 20 froggies कहाँ जाते थे? स्कूल को. उनका स्कूल कहाँ था? Beside a rushing pool means जहाँ पे पानी अच्छे से फ्लो हो रहा, वहाँ पर उनका स्कूल था. 20 little coats of green, 20 vest all white and clean. इनका यूनिफॉर्म क्या था? इनका कोट था जो ग्रीन कलर का था. एंड 20 वेस्ट मीन्स लाइक शॉर्ट शर्ट्स जो वाइट और एकदम क्लीन थे. वी मस्ट बी इन टाइम सेट दे, मतलब उन्हें स्कूल में क्या देना चाहिए था? टाइम पर. फर्स्ट वी स्टडी देन वी प्ले. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? हम पढ़ाई करते हैं एंड देन वी प्ले. दैट इज हाउ वी कीप द रूल when we froggies go to school. These are the rules कि हमारा यूनिफॉर्म रहना चाहिए, यूनिफॉर्म शुड बी क्लीन, हम स्कूल टाइम पे जाना चाहिए एंड हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? हम लोग पढ़ाई करते हैं एंड देन खेलते हैं. ये हमारे फ्रॉगीज के स्कूल के रूल्स है. 20 फ्रॉगीज ग्रीव अप फास्ट, मतलब दीज 20 फ्रॉगीज जल्दी से बड़े हो गए. Bullfrogs they became at last. सबसे लास्ट में क्या बन जाते वो? Bullfrog. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. फिर जब वो bullfrog बन जाते वो क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरे लॉग पर बैठते. लॉग मीन्स लकड़ी का टुकड़े को हम क्या बोलते हैं? लॉग. टीचिंग अदर लिटिल फ्रॉगीज, हम वो bullfrog की अलग अलग फ्रॉग्स को क्या करता? Teach करता. It is written by George Copper. Now this is your poem. Okay, so now repeat after me the poem. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vest all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs they become at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Okay. Now we will read the poem with the spelling. हम spelling के साथ ये poem read करेंगे. TWENTY 20, FROGGIES froggies, WENT went, TO2 SCHOOL school. 20 froggies went to school. DOWN down, BESIDE beside, down beside, RUSHING rushing, PWL pool, down beside a rushing pool. TWENTY 20, LITTLE little, COATS coats, OF GREEN green. 20 little coats of green. TWENTY 20, VESTS wets, AWL all, WHIT white, AND and CLEAN clean. 20 vest all white and clean. WEB MUST must, BEBINN EIME time. We must be in time. SAID said, THEY they. FIRST first, WEB STUDY study, THEN then, WEB PLAY play. THAT that, INSS, HOW how, WEB KWEP keep, THE the, RULE rule. That is how we keep the rule. WHEN when, WEVFROGGRES froggies, GO TO2 SCHOOL school. When we froggies go to school. TWENT by 20 FROGGIES froggies, GREW UP up FST fast. BULL FROGS frogs, THE by they, BECAME became, AT at, LAST last. NOW now, THE by they, SIT set, ON on, OTHER other, LOGS logs. Now they sit on other logs. TEACHING teaching, OTHER other, LIDDLE little, FROGS frogs, teaching other little frogs. Okay, so this is the poem, you have to learn it. So next is understanding the text. Take the correct answer. First one, it should be how, MAN by many, FROGGIES froggies, WENT went, TO2 SCHOOL school. How many froggies went to school? Answer is 20. WHERE where, WAS was, THE the school. Where was the school? Beside a sea, beside a pool, beside a river, beside a pool. WHAT what was the color of the coats of the froggies? The color of the coats of the froggies was green. What was white and clean? West was white and clean. What do the froggies do first? First froggies study. What did the froggies became when they grew up? They became bullfrogs, means big frogs. Next, we are going to match the words with their opposites. 1. Empty, full, noisy, quiet, QUIT, quiet, slow, fast, easy, difficult, ugly, pretty. Okay. Next, small, big. Antonyms means opposites. Okay. Antonyms means opposites. Small, big, near, far, old, new, give, take, high, low. Okay, these are the antonyms and these are the opposite words. Okay, empty, full, noisy, quiet, slow, fast, easy, difficult, ugly, pretty. Small, big, near, far, old, new, give, take, low, high, low. Okay. Next, listen to the words. Write 1 if the word has any syllable and 2 if the word has 2 syllables. Syllable, what do you mean by syllable? In the next class, we have already studied about the syllable. So, I will read the word for you and you will write the answer. Okay. So, the first word is carpet. Carpet, pencil, sofa, pen, book, garden, book, door, tap, basket, teacher. Now this activity, look at the picture. Imagine that you are sitting at the dining table with your mother having breakfast. What will your mother say to you and how will you reply to her? So you have to do this by your own. Okay. Now next is, आपको इसमें ये करना है कि आप और आपकी मम्मा ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पर बैठे एंड आपको ये लिखना है कि आप मम्मा आपकी क्या क्या पूछते हैं आपसे या फिर आप उनको रिप्लाई कैसे दे दे लाइक आप ये पूछते मम्मा व्हाट इज टुडेज ब्रेकफास्ट मम्मा आपको बोलेंगे यस आई मेड अ सैंडविच फॉर यू अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क एंड वॉट एवर शी सेज तो आपको वो राइट डाउन करना है. Okay, in the homework you will write the poem at school 3 times, learn and write the exercise 3 times. Okay, now we will stop our today's lecture here. So thank you and see you in the next lecture.